evening, everyone. My name is Varanya. I hope you and I are having amazing Sunday. Today's Sunday, so I'm gonna cook roast pork dinner. I got pork shoulder joint from Lidl today, so I'm gonna cook roast pork dinner today. So let's season our pork. I'm gonna add some salt on the pork first. Put a little bit more salt on the skin. This one is pork shoulder joint, so the skin may not be that crispy when it comes out, you know. Then I'm gonna add some olive oil. I use olive oil in my cooking, you know. Drop some oil on the meat. Then I'm gonna add some mixed herb. Some mixed herb on the pork. Yeah, I do fancy roast dinner today. I went to the church today because it's now Easter Sunday, so I was gonna get some lamb, but there wasn't any English lamb available. The only New Zealand lamb, so I decided to get pork instead. You know, with Sunday roast. So pork is ready. So our pork is ready. You know, I'm gonna put it in the oven. I already prepared the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Pork on in the oven. Now gonna seasoning our new potato. I've got some baby potato, new potato. Gonna roast new potato to serve with our roast pork. So let's seasoning our potato with some salt. Add some olive oil. And then some mixed herbs. So give our new potato, our baby potato, some flavor. Mixing on the seasoning together, so we can ensure the potato is covered with salt, olive oil, and mixed herb, and place them in the oven tray. I'm gonna place our new potato in the oven. So roast is the same time at pork, because roast new potato sometimes it does take a while, you know. Now we're gonna prepare our vegetable. I'm using broccoli because I like broccoli. With the broccoli, I'm not throwing the stem, the actual stem. I keep it because I actually make the spicy salad from the broccoli stem. So I'm going to cut the blossom out and boil the blossom to serve with our roast pork. And then the actual stem, I keep it for my spicy salad. It's gone in the pot. Add some salt, and then we're gonna bring it to boil when our pork and our potatoes cooked, you know. So that's everything done for now, guys. Thank you very much, everyone. Hope you and I are having amazing Sunday. I'm gonna enjoy my roast pork dinner today. So have a lovely day, everyone. Love you. Bye bye.